anxiously waiting for my laptop. It's not here yet. Oh, okay, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm currently waiting for my new MacBook Pro to come in today, and I'm so excited. So it should be coming soon. It's 11:52 right now, and it says it's out for delivery on here on UPS. So I'm just anxiously waiting. I've been using my sister's MacBook Air for the past couple days because I sold mine just a couple days ago, and I wasn't expecting to get sold so fast, so I kind of just had to rush and purchase a computer ASAP because I have a lot of work to do and I'm computerless. So I just had to use my sister's temporarily. I was using previously a MacBook Air, and I used that throughout my whole college life, so had that for about 6 years. It did me pretty good. Did all my work on that computer, and it was just time to upgrade, so I decided to just sell it. As soon as I sold it, I ordered a 16-inch. So I've been using the 13.3, I think that's what it was for the 2014 model, but basically 13-inch, and I upgraded big time, so I'm super excited. I've been wanting a computer that has a big screen. Sorry if I keep turning back because I have my windows open and I'm like listening for the UPS truck, and I just keep hearing like trucks coming by this area of my house. So anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait. But yeah, it's the 6-core Intel i7 with Retina display, and I got it in space gray. Thought it looked a little more sleek, and I'm just kind of over the silver because I've had it for so long. And so I actually got it refurbished. It still was pretty expensive. I think with taxes and all, I paid about almost $3,000. I didn't get the Apple Care, but now I'm kind of rethinking it and feel like I should get it. But it's actually really expensive to get the Apple Care because it's a MacBook Pro and it's a 16-inch, I think. Because the Apple Care, it lasts you, I think, 3 years. If I had gotten that, my total price for this computer is easily $3,500, so in Canadian. But anyways, I didn't get that quite yet. I'm still thinking about it. Getting this refurbished one, I did a lot of research, seeing what people had to say about like refurbished models compared to brand new models, and there really wasn't a difference. Might as well save a couple $100s and just get the refurbished one. Once it arrives, I'll really look into the product and start it and see how everything goes. I will keep a good eye on it for the next couple of days to make sure there are no problems or no obvious problems. Hopefully there isn't, because I don't want to have to return it and get another one, and it's just like I really need a computer, like a good computer right now, and if the one that comes today is not that good, then and I have to return it, that'll be such a hassle, and that would be a huge bummer. So I'm really hoping that it goes really well today and for the next couple of days and weeks, and I just keep it forever. Yeah, it was definitely a huge purchase for me. I think most girls would go crazy with maybe splurging on designer items, but I'm a huge techie person and I really love investing in tech products, and I just have more interest in that field than designer stuff. So my money would always go towards that route. I mean, of course I would love to have both, but if I had to choose, it's always tech. So I'm so excited. Keep looking out my door and listening for the truck. It's not here yet. But yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. It's finally here. I've been waiting all day and it arrived exactly at 5 p.m. Okay. Gonna open it. I'm so excited. I don't know how you open it. Okay. Oh shit. Oh man. Okay. Wow. It's out of the box. Very interesting way of placing it, but whatever. Oh my god. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this is because I was literally in front of the front door like all day, and I was just really making sure that I can hear the UPS guy come in so that he doesn't like throw it on the ground, because this is like $3,000 and I don't want it getting damaged. Okay, so oh god. Oh my god. Oh snap. So nice. I actually like the weight of it. It's not that heavy. It's pretty good. And just some accessories. The USB-C, battery cable, instructions. Ooh. Okay, everyone was commenting, or all the videos I've seen on YouTube, they all commented on the smell of the box. And it really does have a smell. Like, it's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's definitely chemically as a, yeah. And the battery, this is a 96 watt power adapter, just below the legal wattage to travel around on airplanes with. So, okay, I'm gonna put the box down. Okay, moment of truth, please turn on. It's loading, oh my god. Wow, I'm so